Hi everybody, I am going to show you how to get to the SCSD Teams Hub, not to be confused with a PL Hub. The Personalized Learning Hub is through the intranet, and that's where you're going to find information about Seesaw and Canvas. The Teams Hub is a bit.ly and has only those things that are related to Teams, and they've actually organized it into a Canvas course so that you can go through it step by step. My first thing I need to do is go up here and type in the bit.ly address. So I'm going to paste it here, and you're going to see, here's the address, https, then bit.ly, and then SCSD Teams Hub. So that's what you want to type right into your browser. When I do that, it brings me to the Microsoft Teams Hub, and I can look at this introduction page. And from here, if I want to have an overview of the hub, the team basics, etc., it will bring me right to each of those modules. So for example, if I just want to work on team basics, here's all of the things about team basics. But if I want to work through the course from start to finish so I can do everything, then I want to click over here on modules. And then that just opens up everything. So you can see here are all the resources for the overview. You have a tour, frequently asked questions, etc. Then, the team basics, what I just showed you I opened up, here it is again. Here's why teams, how do you get started, how do you log in, roles, what is the activity and chat, and so on. Okay. Now, when I go in here, if I click on calendar, then it's going to show me a little video or give me information about that. Now, right now, Streams is not working. I do know that the help desk is aware of this, and they're trying to get it back up and running. So if you got into this, so for example, maybe I don't care that much about the calendar, and if it's not working, then I'm going to go back and find something that is working right away. Now, when I do that, you can see here's the next part where how to use Teams like Zoom. So how can you use it the same way? Prevent screen hijacking. How can you do sharing? And then right down here, recording lessons using Teams. So if you're going to do a Teams lesson, then don't worry about having to redo another one that you're going to put up online. Just record your Teams lesson, and then you can link it right to Canvas or Seesaw. Again, these modules are going to be really helpful for you to work through, and you can get everything that you need. I also just want to point out this right here. Contact a PL coach for support, because even though Robin is amazing, and I hope to, I think I can do some tech stuff, I'm not a PL coach, and these are the folks who you want to talk to if you have any problems. So I can click here to make an appointment, and I can see their calendars, and I can make an appointment to meet with them one-on-one. Have a great day.